My name is Lana May. I'm jewelry design. My main activity is teaching. I teach jewelry making technique in United States, and also I hold jewelry making classes all over the world, including Europe, Russia, and the Ukraine. I participate in variation of gem and fashion show, fundraisers event, and museum exhibition in different countries such as Japan, Germany, and French. Also, I sell and rent my jewelry through my website, lana-beads.info. I always been concerned with sustainable environment as well as personal health, both physical and spiritual. I was lucky to meet Melissa, very beautiful person. I share so much with her and she has been very supportive of my views and ideas. She told me about Spoon Life project, so very inspired by it that I immediately sit down and create my new collection, Spoon Love.